Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and keeping fine. So I hope you might have also used Odomos cream at least once in your life. So this cream which can protect our body from getting mosquito bites for up to 8 hours. So guys, in this video we will get to know why it happens like this, how did it keep away our body from mosquitoes, what is that ingredient that can protect us from mosquito bites, and why mosquitoes run away from us. We will also talk about how to use this cream correctly and when and where we should use this cream. Are there any side effects if we use this cream, or what are the benefits we can get by applying this cream? So, if you want to know all the answers to this question, then please do watch the video without skipping till the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. First one is how it works. So friends, first of all, unlike most mosquito repellents, Odomos does not contain deadly chemicals which kills or knocks down mosquitoes. But this newly advanced Odomos uses a formulation which masks the distinctive body odor that human skin emits, making you virtually invisible to mosquitoes. And this Odomos cream is extremely safe on skin and has no proven side effects of causing skin rashes. So let's get to know what is that ingredient that makes the mosquitoes invisible to see our body. So this cream has got active ingredients called N-diethyl benzamide. So this N-diethyl benzamide is such chemical that are absolutely safe to use on our body. It works as a multi-purpose insect repellent for direct application to human skin, clothing, even household pets, tents or bedroll, and screens like phone, TV, laptop, etc. So after all, you can say that this chemical is used for repelling or chasing insects. It also contains other common ingredients, that is vitamin E and almond oil. I hope you might have already know about this ingredient and how it works for our skin. So Odomos non-sticky mosquito repellent cream also protects you from deadly diseases like dengue, chikungunya and malaria. It's because when mosquito bites you onto your body, you can have many types of illness like malaria, dengue, etc. and all that. So friends, please try to protect your loved ones from mosquito bites and dangerous diseases by applying any mosquito repellent cream or mosquito repellent spray. You can apply them on the exposed area of your body, especially like on your legs, hands, neck area and even on your face. But be careful not to apply on your eyes, lips or mouth area. You can also apply this on your bags or clothes or shoes also. And do try to apply this whenever you are on the open area like parks or playground, marketplaces, roadside area, or whenever you go for meetings, etc. Because these mosquitoes are everywhere, anywhere you may think of. So guys, this Odomos is very safe on the skins and also safe on children without exposing them to harmful chemicals. So you don't need to worry anything about this cream. You can just simply apply it anywhere on your body to protect yourself from mosquitoes and from diseases. So friends, this is my overall review of Odomos Mosquito Repellent Cream. Hope you like my video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. So thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in my next video.